Inindi presents mixers for Europe. We offer unique industrial mixers for Europe. They are suitable for the food industry, the pharmaceutical industry, chemical industry, and everyone else that needs a top industrial mixer. With our unique mixers, we are serving 5 continents. We are supplying to 19 countries as per 1st January 2025. We are trusted with over 500 customers and we have done over 2,500 installations. Here we will show you some of the mixes we can make. But our unique and fantastic mixes can be custom made for almost any type of mixes you need for industrial use. Just ask us. See this film. I will comment here and there but also play some music and let you just look and enjoy all the variants. We will develop the mixer you want, if needed. We will first make a miniature version of your mixer and you can try it with your material that shall be mixed. Then when the full-scale mixer is ready, you bring your material and test it in the factory before we ship. So rest assured it will all be done in the best way. And let us also show you our latest innovations as per January 20th, 25.
And today I would like to introduce to you the dynamic duo that's going to revolutionize agitation. A dual innovation that brings together our new conical impeller and the column type agitator. These additions are engineered for efficiency, flexibility, versatility, and performance to cater to a wide array of industrial applications for the IBC tanks and large vessels. Let's dive into the unique capabilities of each of these components that make the powerful pair. The conical impeller's distinctive geometry produces high momentum mixing with minimal energy use. This impeller achieves optimal mixing with lower peripheral speeds, creating a flow pattern that promotes complete homogenization in short times, even with viscous fluids. The design is ideal for applications with aqueous and viscous solutions, handling viscosities up to 40,000 centipoise, making it well suited for industries such as pharmaceuticals, dairy, beverages, paints, chemicals, adhesives. Now let me bring to you the second innovation, the column type agitator that brings flexibility, cost efficiency, and guarantees the mixing performance. Designed with a robust vertical column structure, it offers stability and easy installation, making it suitable for IBC tanks, containers, and other vessels. Available in both fixed and movable constructions, it provides manual as well as motorized height adjustments, with safety as a top priority during operation. The column agitator is equipped with easy to use controls and variable speed options, and it can be enhanced with PLC systems for automation. Its easy to clean design makes it a perfect choice not just for chemical industries but also for the food and the pharmaceutical industry. This powerful pairing of the conical impeller along with the column agitator ensures reliable, efficient, and energy saving mixing, making it a valuable asset for a wide variety of industries.
Inindi and the Indian factory. You see Mr. Jayesh Tekshandini from the factory, signing the representation agreement with Mr. Per Oberg from Inindi for Europe. People behind in Inindi are from Sweden and India. They have had companies in Sweden, India, and UK and have business experience from India. Since the 1980s, they have had own factory in India producing and exporting worldwide. They have done business development with India for both multinational companies as well as for medium and small size companies. There is a significant difference in both culture and business culture between India and Europe. Inindi is there to minimize the problems as in Inindi understand both sides. The owner of Inindi, Mr. Perlberg, has had companies in Sweden, UK, and India, and he has been visiting India every year since 1985 and for many years been partly living in New Delhi. When you want to purchase a top-class mixer for your manufacturing, then use Inindi as your first point of contact. And then use Inindi for following up the process of purchase and installation from the business point of view. The Indian manufacturer will be your contact for technical discussions and technical decisions, and then they will manufacture your mixer for you. As you can see here, we have many certificates and so on, and we use critical parts from international top brands. After having seen some of our mixes in this film, I hope you realize that we can give you the top quality mixes you need. Try us, compare us, and we will not make you disappointed. Contact Inindi with your request and we will make sure you get a quick first answer.